Hi, I'm Randy Meyer, and for my first new technology out of the five, I chose Padlet. Padlet's pretty easy to get onto. You just go to Padlet.com and you can sign on and have an account just by using your email account, and you'll come up to this page right here. To go ahead and start a Padlet, all you gotta do is hit the make a Padlet, and you come up with this one, and I already started this one. Okay, Padlet, what it actually does is provides an essentially blank canvas for students to create and design collaborative projects. Great for brainstorming. Students can download or write anything on the program and have all the thoughts on the site prior to starting a paper project. Teachers could do the same when they're developing lesson plans. That way, nothing gets missed. So this is for the teacher or the student in particular. Okay, I've already started one. We teach leadership in junior RTC. Of course, I put the values up here that we teach. To add on to this, and how I got the first one, I just go ahead and click on here. You put the title on, go ahead and put loyalty down here. And then I'll put the definition. And the definition is to bear true faith and allegiance. Okay. That'll add on there. I can do all of the definitions. I can have it all right there. When I start my paper, I'll have what the values mean, and then it becomes easy to do your paper. It's just like brainstorming or anything else that you can use. This is a method of working, of doing homework, projects, whatever the students or the teacher are doing. The ISTs, I believe, are there's 6B, 6C, and 6D. And like I said, this can be used by the teacher or the students. Thank you.